everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off out for the day, what I wore, where you get puppies, you get PA weather, you get a bit of life in there. I sure hope you stick around for long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So, I'm Laura. If you're new, this is Willie. He's the one who loves the most attention of them all, don't you? Loki's the white pupper, and the beagle is Dexter. Harvey's actually out here right now too. He's our kitty. And yeah, we got a full house. It is Sunday morning. It's nice out. Like I thought it was going to be cooler. It's 60 degrees, but the sun is out, as you can see, so it feels really nice and warm. So I could have dressed like a normal summer day, which I sort of did. I just chose a much longer shorts than I typically would. But it's going to be a beautiful day. I have a couple videos I need to get done for you guys, and got to get ready for the week then. So for my outfit today, I'm not ready for really full-on pants unless I absolutely have to. So I put on a longer short thinking it was going to be a little cooler this morning. This one is by AG. It's the Hattie short. I kind of enjoy it. I was hoping I could wear this type of a short into the fall with boots. So we'll see how that goes. A lot of times I'm just too cold and I don't bother. And then I paired it with this cute Harley Davidson t-shirt that we got while on vacation. I'm not a huge Harley fan. In fact, I wish my son didn't have a Harley, but he does. He's a huge Harley fan. My husband's a huge Harley fan. So we had to stop at the Harley store while we were there and grab my son a shirt. My husband got a shirt, so I picked this one out. I thought it was super pretty. I'm kind of loving the pop of that pink flower on there. And then for shoes, I actually grabbed the shoes I was wearing on vacation. They were so comfortable and I had them out, so I grabbed them for today. They're by Dolce Vita. And that's it. I don't really have any jewelry on. I just have one bracelet on that I got as a gift from my son and his girlfriend. And that's it today. We're off. We're off for another week, right? It's already started. All right, hope your start's off great. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday already. Time for outfit of the day. It is a sunshiny day, but really cold. Woke up to like 44 degrees. So it is chilly this morning, but getting up to 71, supposed to be full on sun. This is a travel week for me, so right back at it. I have to get up early in the morning to head to work. So today is a busy day. And the puppers are all here. No Harvey. He's been trying to integrate himself, but then he has enough after a while. So he was spent all night with us, locked in the bedroom with the puppers. So I thought that was really good. And now I think he needs a break. And for my outfit today, I have on, let's see, a locked skirt. I have on a Cabi sweater, and I put a Cabi tank on underneath it because it is going to warm up. But right now it is chilly, chilly. Shoes, these are Sorels that I got in a Trendsend that are quite comfortable. I really like them. And for jewelry, I have on a necklace that my friend got me, and that's it. I'm ready to get on with the day. My Armoire posted today. Mostly jackets this time. You guys really need to check it out. If you haven't given Armoire a try, it's worth it, especially if you have any special occasions coming up or trips or maternity wear that you need. It's really, really a great, great option. All right, so the boys and I are going to get to it. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. I'm up bright and early. It's about 4:45 a.m. I've got to hit the road. And for my outfit today, I chose this beautiful Z Supply dress that I got in a Trendsend. It had the matching cardigan, and I thought it was beautiful. Decided to wear it before it was too late. Paired it with a Z Supply blazer I got in a Wantable quite a bit ago. And for shoes, about a little bit of snake print. These are by Dolce Vita. Got them in a Stitch Fix. And then I have on my bracelet stack, a necklace my husband got me. I'm off. I've been running around like crazy. I got myself all heated up. So anyway, it's all good. I'm ready to go. All right, hope you're having an amazing week. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is a little before 7 in the morning, and let's see, 57 degrees, getting up to 74, so I think it's going to be a pretty day today. For my outfit, I chose Paige denim. These are the Cindy I got these at Nordstrom during one of their sales. I have on, you may recognize my White House Black Market tank. This is one of the form tanks. Over underneath this jacket, which I'm so in love with, has the cinched back. The color is so on point as we, you know, have to think about transitioning to fall. And then, how about these shoes? They're Cosy Island. I've shared those on my channel. They're amazing with the extra little cushies. So I'm excited to wear these, plus I'm loving the leopard. And for jewelry, I have on the same thing I had on yesterday. That's my outfit today. I'm off. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. Waking up to 61 degrees, but it's supposed to get up to 80 today, so it's gonna be really nice. For my outfit today, I have on these amazing Ever Eve jeans, which I am in love with. Got them during their denim sale. Paired it with a white Bobeau top I got a long time ago in a Trendsend, also from Ever Eve. And then this Lafleur jacket, just got in my Armoire. It's so comfy. Love it. And I think it just dresses up the whole look. For shoes, another pair of my Cosy Island. I love these. I got so many compliments on my entire outfit yesterday. Everyone loved the White House Black Market tank and jacket combo. And everyone loved the shoes. So awesome outfit yesterday. I was feeling really nice. I was feeling really good. Can you tell it's the first time I spoke this morning? My throat is hoarse, and I can't get the words out. Anyway, it's okay. It's a little bit before 7 in the morning. I will get myself together here. But love these shoes. These are fun with the gold little grommets. So another great mule. And then my jewelry is the same as yesterday. I'm off. Okay, well, tomorrow's Friday. Hey everybody, it is Friday. We made it, right? It's Friday. I left the puppers inside since we have lots to catch up on since I was gone most of the week. First of all, I need to say a huge shout out to Jenny for sending me this beautiful, beautiful birthday card and the amazing note inside. She wrote so many nice things in there. I feel like we're friends. I know we haven't met in person, but Jenny comments on every one of my videos. She's always a positive light. So appreciate her. So huge thank you for remembering my birthday. My Stitch Fix posted yesterday, and Stitch Fix has been getting really, really good. I do have a lot of keepers from this one. I kept both pairs of shoes, so both pair, the tennies and the tennies, right? The leopard, I love them. I'm turning into a tennis shoe girl. And the second pair, which was the booties, which were amazing, like love so much, right? The little mule booties, I love those. Okay, then of course I kept the little vest. Again, love. If you didn't catch the video, please check it out. I kept the pants, the cream pants, and the green. I thought the green was amazing. And I kept the leopard Z Supply all day knit because it's fabulous and I love all the all day knits. So those were all my keepers. Amazing, amazing box. And Friday Funny. I actually have one for you. So Dexter has a habit of like suckling. I want to use the word suckling, but like chewing, gnawing on the beds. Like I have beds all through the house for these dogs. If he's not destroying it, he's kind of like sucking on it. So I see it as kind of like thumb sucking, or like that's his banky and his comfort. So I caught him doing that this morning to his bed. So I thought I would share that with you guys. It's a funny little quirky thing that he does, but he's adorable. So they're getting, I don't know if you can hear them, but they're all starting to howl in there because I came outside without them, even though they have chews. All right, and for today's outfit, I chose a dress, a one and done. I love this dress. I got it from the Ever Eve store during one of their sales. It's one of the Z Supply and Ever Eve collaboration dresses. I love it. Paired it simply with these fun shoes, also from the Ever Eve store. They're by Dolce Vita. Got them on sale as well. And then this amazing belt that I got at a boutique. I always forget to share with you guys, but check out this pretty, pretty belt. This is all embroidered. So I thought it was adorable and was excited to wear it with this dress. My necklace I got in a Curator. I have on my bracelet stack. I'm ready for the day. I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It is so early in the morning, 7 o'clock. I'm off to a hair appointment. And I think you guys can see behind me, like, all the trees are starting to change colors, right? Like you can see all of that. My time outside is running short, I think. My Wantable style edit posted today. Oh, this was it was a really good one. However, I ended up only keeping one item, and that was the cuffed denim, which I did size up to a 26. I think that was the hidden Ella cuffed jean, so that was my only keeper this time. And for my outfit today, I have on an AFRM dress from Stitch Fix. I love this one. I just stuck a little black bralette on underneath it because I didn't want to go strapless today, so I thought that can't really tell. And I love this dress, so super pretty. It's chilly out right now, so it is only 54 degrees, but it is getting up to 80. So I chose this little Frankie jacket from Trendsend. For shoes, I just have on a nude. This is by Mark Fisher. I'm still putting the toes out for right now. Fall is not actually here yet. And for jewelry, I have on a necklace from Curator, my bracelet stack, and I'm off. And that's a wrap. We made it through outfit of the day. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were. As always, I will list all my outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which, and all of that information will be down below as well in case you'd like to give them a try. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were, so please let me know. Hit like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.